Most people won't believe me when I say this, but when you think about the biggest opportunities in the last 5 years, I would say TikTok, crypto bull run, NFTs, Instagram Reels were probably the 4 biggest ones, and if you jumped in early in one of these, you could be well off financially right now. Me personally, I took advantage of NFT hype, and now I am able to do whatever I want for the next 10 years. That said, I want to really emphasize the next big opportunity that will become mainstream in 2023, and that is YouTube Shorts. Many people may think that YouTube Shorts haven't really popped off yet as a platform, but statistics show different picture. When you go on Google Trends, you can actually see how Shorts platform is breaking out since it launched. This is because more and more people are recognizing easy opportunity to gain a lot of attention, views and subscribers. But the biggest thing that 90% of people don't yet understand is what monetization will do. My prediction is that most of the TikTok and Instagram Reels creators will migrate to YouTube and really focus their time on creating shorts. When people are incentivized with making money doing what they love to do, it actually creates big shifts in different industries. There is a reason YouTube is the oldest video platform that is still the #1 platform out there. This is just because they give half of its revenue to creators. Right now I don't see how TikTok or Instagram could compete with this. I am 100% sure creators on these platforms are quite fed up with investing so much time but getting virtually nothing back financially. As long as YouTube is the biggest money-making platform for video creators, there will be no major competition for them in the long term. All I'm saying, we are really early and most people don't know that YouTube Shorts even exists. If you're watching this video, you're probably the 1% that can really take advantage of this wave right before the monetization is rolled out. I predict the next 6 to 12 months will be enormous advantage for early adopters. You should really write down on piece of paper 1 to 5 topics you want to cover and create 3 to 5 ideas daily and just push out as many shorts videos as you can. And if you are smart, you understand how long it takes for the masses to accept something new. Just like it was with NFTs in early 2021. There were people that laughed at NFT wave, but only a small percentage of people that made millions in a relatively short time. Right now there's virtually no competition for you. It is basically your decision to go all in right now just before billions of people realize this. There is this famous quote, "Follow the money." And that's all I want to say. Don't waste this opportunity.